Hello viewer, welcome back to our lessons. In today's video, I would want us to talk about something in statistics, and this is about graphical data. You expect that in graphical data, we have quite a number of areas that you need to acquaint yourselves with. The first one is bar graphs, we have circle graphs, we have dot plots, scatter plots, we have things like histograms, box plots, tables, and of course, last but not least, which I've written in capital letters, line graphs. The reason why I have written line graphs in capital letters is because the example I'll be giving you today, I'll be concentrating on line graphs. Write with me this example. So in our example, we have a line graph, and the question reads, before I provide you with the line graph and the information on that line graph, the line graph below, which I'm going to show you, shows the monthly payroll at a large construction company. In which month did the monthly payroll decrease the most? In which month did the monthly payroll decrease the most? Have a look. That is our line graph. And for a bit of interpretation of the line graph, on the vertical axis we have payroll in thousands, from all the way from 0 up to 100,000, because it is in thousands. Then on the horizontal scale, or the horizontal line, we have months. We have January, February, March, April, May, and June. So we want to discover when the payroll dropped or decreased the most. We can analyze that in the month of January, from this point up to this point. By the end of January, it was a drop. But how much? Actually, the month of January, we can say this is 61 or thereabouts. And then by the end of that month, it was at between 40 and 50, which is 60, we can call it 60 minus 45. 60 minus 45. 60 minus 45 is 15. So the drop in the month of January was 15. And then after January, we got a rise from the end of month of January to actually at the beginning of February, all the way to the end of February, it was a rise. We are not interested in anywhere where there is an increase. Look at the drop from now end of February to beginning of March to end of March, the month of March, a very slight decrease. Then another rise. This decrease is about, let's say 70 or 71 minus around 69, kind of 3 or 2. Then from in the month of April, another rise. We are not interested in rises. We go to the month of May. The month of May, this month here, this area here, this region here. The beginning of April, the end of April was around 79 or 80. Was around 79. And it ended being, let us see, the end of that May at around between 50 and 60, we can call it. I think that scale at that point can be 50 something, let's say 57 or 50, 55, between 55 and 57. The drop is 70. The change is a negative change and is a drop. 79 minus 55. 79 minus 55, which gives us a drop. I'm putting a negative because it's a decrease of 24. So if you look at that one, you will realize that it has dropped more than what dropped in the month of January. So the question was very simple. Which month recorded the most decrease of the monthly payroll? That one is between actually in the month of May. So the correct answer is May. That is what you are supposed to state there. That in the month of May, the decrease was the biggest in all those months. Thank you very much for watching this video. We are producing more videos for you. If you are new here, please subscribe to PrepSaret YouTube channel and also follow us in our prepsaret.com website. Goodbye and see you.